Hey everybody, welcome to today's Dica and to my kitchen. Today we're learning how to make paçoca, a traditional Brazilian peanut candy, very popular here in winter, especially during festivities such as Festa Junina and Holy Week. So let's go. First, let's talk about the ingredients. We're going to need 1 teacup of skinless peanuts. This is about 100 grams. Half a teacup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. You can use regular salt. I just happen to have some of this pink salt at home. So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. After that, you should wash the peanuts and take out any excess salt. Then you should put the peanuts to dry in a plate with paper towels and leave them here for about 5 minutes. Now that your peanuts are dry, you spread them around and prepare to put them in the oven. They should go in the oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius after you preheated it for 10 minutes. Once your peanuts are roasted, you can put them, the sugar, and the salt in the blender or food processor. Make sure that there are no peanuts left uncrushed. Now that we already crushed our peanuts, sugar, and salt together, we just need to get a little forma or something that you can use to make biscuits, for example. And you can put the paçoca in it so you can get its shape. After you finish putting the mixture in molds or cookie cutters, just let it sit for about 10 minutes. You can also try putting your paçoca in the fridge or freezer to help take them out of the molds. Now, get ready to eat some paçoca.